How to retrieve deleted text messages on your Android phones. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can retrieve the deleted text messages on our Android phone. So let's just get started with the video and see how to do that. So to retrieve the deleted text messages on your Android phone, you can try checking your messaging app. You can go to your default messaging application, and once that is done, you can head over to the menu option by tapping on the three dot at the top right, and then you'll be finding this menu, or you can directly head over to the settings as well. After that, here you can find this option called recycle bin. You can just go ahead and locate the recycle bin or similar option from the menu that will allow you to recover your message if it is on recycle bin. That should help you restore the messages back to your chat. Otherwise, if you have backed it up on your Google Drive, you can head over to the main settings of your device and then go to this Google Services section and make sure it is the same account where you have backed up. After that, go to the All Services section, and when you head over to this section, you can find this option called Restore and Backup. So all you need to do is just go ahead and tap on it and restore the deleted messages and choose to restore them to your phone. So that is how you retrieve the deleted text messages on your Android device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.